Hey there, bag makers. This is Melissa with Sew Yours. I wanted to give you a first look at the new arrivals that just came off the truck today. We have unloaded all of our restocks. We've got some new products here. This is the smaller of the two shipments. We'll be getting a second shipment in on around July 1st or so with 46 boxes. Today was 23 boxes of bag making fabrics and 4 boxes of quilts and cottons. So let me give you a quick look at what we got on the truck, and I'll give you another update on the progress of the storefront and the expansion. Let me flip the camera around. I'm going to slowly swing you around, not to make you sick. Okay. So we are going to be carrying jelly vinyls. I am super excited for that. I have not worked with jelly vinyl before. This is actually my first time feeling it in person. It has such a soft feel to it, substantial thickness, so I really like this. And it is semi-translucent here, so you can kind of see my fingers from the back side. We've got this in the pink, lilac, aqua, and black. I think we're calling that bubblegum. These are not online just yet. And these are actually going to be released in correlation to our exclusive printed jelly vinyls. So I designed 3 jelly vinyls that are going to be printed, of course, on jelly vinyls. And the colors in those prints are going to work well with these 4 solid colors. So I'll be releasing all of those at once online, but if you are here in our Dunellen store, you'll be able to shop these jelly vinyls on our shelves tomorrow morning. So that is our jelly vinyls. They're 18 by 53 inch rolls. We have a new metallic. This is called our metallic steel, and it really has a nice texture to it. There is a texture. You might be able to hear it when I move my hand over it. And then it has that little bit of shimmery to it because of the metallic in it. So that is the color steel. This will be released really soon online as well. I don't have dates. I'm still actually catching up from our last shipment. Since we had the expansion here, I've kind of fallen behind on all of our new releases and launches and stuff like that. So we've just been bringing so much new product. Okay, so you might remember about 6 or 8 weeks ago, I released our Croc Pop in the color Sugar Rush, which is this beautiful shade of pink right here. It sold so well that I decided to bring it in several new colors. So we've got black, so luxurious looking. We've got it in our pickle color. I think I'm calling this one... Oh, dill, crunchy dill. I think I'm calling it crunchy dill. So it's just a beautiful shade of green. Here is our cherry bomb. And this is our jelly drip. I think it's called jelly drip. Oh, maybe here, I have the label right here. So this one is called jelly drop. Almost had it right. So that is that one there. So we've got some great colors here. And in the next shipment, we are going to get, I think, 3 more colors. So we didn't get them all today. They decided to ship out our order in 3 batches just due to the size of it. So we have to wait for all the new arrivals to come in, or I should say the rest of the new arrivals. I'll tell you about the rest of the new arrivals here as we walk over to the other side of the store. So we're going to do the double brush poly apparel fabric. That's just shipping this week, so we're not going to have that probably for another month or so online, maybe 4 to 6 weeks. So you'll have to wait for that. Oh, here, let me show you while I'm here. We have restock on the Threaded Dreams Quilting Cotton, which was a print that I designed. I've redesigned, or I should say, created a brand new design on our Girly Glam printed vinyl. So this is our #1 selling vinyl. And I came up with a new one. So it's very similar. I wanted to do a black background when I set forth to do a new design, but it just wasn't coming out really well. I really like the light pink. So for this one, I went with the light varying shades of pink polka dots against a pink background. And I changed up all of the cosmetics. It's not the same artwork. So we've got some brand new artwork for you. So I had a lot of fun with that. And might as well just tell you that one of the jelly vinyls is going to be printed with this print. And here is another quilting cotton. This one is so pretty. This one, I think I'm calling this one Glam. Let me look. I have it on the end of the bolt. It's upside down. So this one is called Glam Jam. You can see that, Glam Jam. So we've got Glam Jam coming real soon. I'll try to get that online in the next day or two because that one's really easy for me to put online. I'll put this one online as well. I don't have the name of this one. I don't think I had it named right on the bolt. Maybe Rainbow Grunge. I can't remember what I named this one. But that one is so vivid. It's just gorgeous. We are restocking the, what are we calling that one? The Heart's Desire, because that one keeps selling out every time we bring it in. We bring these in 50 yards at a time, and we just can't seem to keep this on the shelf. This one was our #1 selling cotton as well. The other jelly vinyl that we're doing is this print, I believe, or a variation of this print. I can't remember. So so you have a heads up on what is coming for the jelly vinyls that are printed and exclusive to Sew Yours. Here is a look at the wall that used to house all of our quilting cottons. So if you've watched any of my videos in the past, I always use this as my backdrop when I was filming. So now we have it looking a little bit differently. Right here on this first shelf is pretty scarce. This is our waterproof canvas. You guys have sold me practically out. This is all that we have right now. And I was hoping that the shipment today was going to include our waterproof canvas. We are restocking all of the colors in massive amounts of quantities, but we didn't get it today. So you'll have to hold off. That'll be probably on the July 1st or first week of July. Right here, what are we doing? Oh, we're doing some waterproof canvas shimmers. So you guys like our liner tech shimmers, we will be getting waterproof canvas shimmers. So we've got that held open for when they arrive. These are our water resistant canvas prints. Over here we are going to be getting a rayon fabric similar to ripstop for backpacks, wallet linings, and so forth. So we're holding that open for when that arrives. Here is our jelly vinyls all staged up. So I just staged these up for the staff when they come in tomorrow so they know where to put everything. We got our RFID and our clear vinyl down there. These are all of our liner techs. So we've got the shimmers, the monostripe, the solids, and our prints over here. So we are pretty well stocked on those, for now at least. This whole wall right here is going away. So we are taking down the shelving here. Probably within the next week or so, because my husband is building us a brand new hardware display. We need more room for our hardware. This is a cart where we are actively working on putting the new products away. So as you can see right here, this is our hardware stand. If you haven't watched our videos before, we are going to basically recreate this in half. So my husband is going to make one where it sits straight against the wall here in the center. So we'll get one half of that, the whole length of that wall over there. And the reason that we need it is when I first had him build this stand for me, we had, I think, 4 rows of zipper pulls, all the way up and all the way down. And now we have, let's see, 8 rows of zipper pulls, because who doesn't love zipper pulls? And you can see here that we've had to combine them into one basket, which makes it harder to shop. So the new hardware display that's going right back here is going to be exclusively for zipper pulls. So it's going to be a lot easier to shop for those. Over here, we've kind of moved all of our embossed vinyls and such over here. These need to get moved over. I'm sorry, I have not gotten these online just yet. These are the, I want to call it, oh, I don't remember here, the name's on here. These are our Cozy Knit embossed vinyls in 3 colors. I'll try to get that online soon, I'm sorry. We've got our Croc Royale, so we've got the purple one, and we've got the periwinkle blue, I think I'm calling it. So that's those. These here, I've actually had probably 4 months and I haven't put them online. So I'll try to get those online as well. I'm the only one that does all of the product photography, website listings, all of that stuff. So the girls do everything here in the store by stocking the shelves, helping customers, but I do all the back end work. So I can only get so much done in a day. So these are our iridescent vinyls. So this is the embossed rainbow. So if you're interested in that, I'll be getting that going hopefully soon. And we have its buddy right here. So this one is the iridescent vinyl. So you can see how they are beautiful together. That would make a killer bag, especially with Rainbow Hardware. We have these online, and then we have the pearl version of these. So we have the embossed pearl, and we have the iridescent pearl. So look for those in the near future. We have a little bit left in our Python vinyls, not very much. I will be restocking those because they were a great seller. Here's where all of our new Croc Pop is coming in. We've got our vinyl bag mesh up there, which we need to move. We're going to change the location of that. We've got some of our faux woven. Our faux woven vinyls are there. Our animal prints, which we will be restocking, is over there. And then all of our printed vinyls, which I need to order more because I didn't order much. I did some restocks that'll be coming the first week of July. I've got a new vinyl coming in, but that's pretty much it. So I need to get on it and get another order in. Oddly enough, even with the 70 boxes between these two orders, and then the apparel fabric that's coming in about 4 or 6 weeks. I don't even know how many boxes those are, but we're getting in 12 solids and 10 exclusive printed double brush polys that I designed myself. Had a lot of fun with that. Can't wait to make clothing myself with that. Excuse me. Here we are in our back room. As a reminder, this is where we used to pack your orders in boxes and ship them out. But now we have opened this up for shopping. Here's our clearance rack. You can hit up our website for $6 a yard clearance cottons right there. We've got our quilt backs. And right now we've just kind of staged some stuff up while we grow a little bit and expand the space back here. So here is all of our cottons that have animals on it. And we are going to be putting up some grid displays here probably next week. Here is the room where we printed off your labels, packaged orders. It was our stock room, you name it. And we've got room to grow, as you can see here. So right here, this is going to be all of the double brush poly when that comes in. Front and center, we have our Moda Grunge. And just yesterday, I bought Moda Grunge that's going to fill up the entire bottom right there. So we're expanding our color selection of our Moda Grunge. So I'm happy about that. Everybody loves Moda Grunge. So here is our beautiful rainbow. We are getting in more oranges and greens and yellows to fill in these gaps. I got more black and white coming. So got a big order of quilts and cottons put in yesterday. These are all of our best-selling exclusive Sew Yours cottons, so we keep those right there. Everybody loves the exclusive Sew Yours cottons, so we got those all together. We're getting in some more browns and creams. We got all of our blues and purples and our teals and aquas. Back here we have batiks, which again I have purchased enough batiks to fill in this bottom. So everything that we have down here, which is like our ditzy floral or our tiny florals, we're just going to weave those in throughout the colors on the wall and just expand our batiks because that's another big seller for us. So that is the quick tour of the back room. We still got to make it a little bit cuter. I might hire Angie, our staff member here, to make me some quilts for the wall here in the back because the walls are kind of drab. I guess that's really it. Thank you so much for watching. Look for the new stuff in the near future. I'll do my best to start getting newsletters out. So if you haven't joined our newsletters just yet, I'll go to sewyours.com. You'll get a pop-up right away. Enter your email address. That way you are subscribed anytime that we have any new releases. Oh, another shout out. This is to all of our employees. They've recently cleaned up our zippers and made them all pretty and color-coded them. Oh, another thing I have to release is the number 3 zipper tape that matches our faux suedes and faux leathers. So we went ahead and got those in. We got them in, gosh, a month ago. I have to get those online as well. So that way we have a nice cohesive set of our zipper tape that matches all of our vinyls. And then we got the fun ones at the bottom. So we got a lot of new rainbows in too. I got to get online. So I got a lot of work ahead of me. So be patient. I will do my best to start getting those newsletters out. I think I've rambled enough. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and thank you so much for watching.